Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss principles of marketing 5 and 15 marks important questions for ACP syllabus. I have taken some questions. So out of these two sections, 5 marks and 15 marks section, 4 questions from each section will come for exam. So we'll discuss first 5 marks questions. First question, explain the steps involved in the purchase of decision process. So first question, explain the steps involved in the purchase decision process. Second question, describe the stages of a product life cycle. So on product life cycle, a fixed question will come. Explain about green sales process mix. From process mix, it will come one question. Explain the objectives and importance of marketing. Explain the objectives and importance of pricing. What are the advantages of labeling? So these 6 questions are for 5 marks. And for 15 marks, first question, explain the factors influencing consumer behavior. Second question, what is a channel of distribution? Explain the different types of channel of distribution. Third question, describe recent developments in the marketing. Fourth question, define marketing and explain core concepts of marketing. Fifth question, briefly explain the functions of marketing. Sixth question, explain the basis of market segmentation. Seventh question, define product planning and explain the stages of new product planning and development. Eighth question, briefly explain the importance of advertising. So these 8 questions are for 15 marks. Out of these 8 questions, 4 questions will come for exam. We will meet in the next video with the next subject or next topic. Thank you.